Hello guys, welcome to my channel AK Mechanical Lectures. Today I have brought new updates regarding faculty recruitment and some non-teaching staff recruitment also. Before starting, I request you all please like, share and subscribe my channel. So the first recruitment for faculty in the college CVS Krishna Murthy Teja Charity Chadalwada Ramanna Engineering College, Tirupati, which is situated in Andhra Pradesh. So in this college there is walk-in interview on 21st February 2021 from 10 am onwards. The faculty recruitment is going on in various departments like computer science, electronics communication, mechanical, electrical electronics, humanity and social sciences, and financial management, some MBA, MCA department and administrative office. In the teaching staff for different branches, there are recruitment for professor, associate professor and assistant professor. The criteria is first division in both UG and PG in concerned branch and specialization is mandatory, means either you have BTech and MTech in both, first class is mandatory, which means that above 60% in the percentage and 6.5 in CGPA. PhD is mandatory for professor and associate professor, but for assistant professor MTech is mandatory. PhD with R&D experience will be paid attractive salary. So if you are with PhD and having experience in some research and development organization, then you will be getting more salary. Retired teaching person can also apply, means if you have worked in any company or college and currently have retired from that, then you can apply for some HOD like post or principal like that. There are also vacancies for trainer for technical skill, soft skill, aptitude and reasoning, English tutor. There are non-teaching staff recruitment, lab technician, lab assistant and administrative staff, CSE Cisco certified hardware network engineer, system administrator, computer programmer, website maintenance engineer, then EC lab technician, electrical electronics lab technician, electrician and plumber, mechanical engineering workshop technician, builder, carpenter, skill technician in IC engine, lathe and production, CAD CAM, physics, chemistry, English lab technician recruitment, office computer operator, accountant, junior assistant, exam branch assistant and library assistant, hostel warden, bus transportation, transport manager vacancy, a sports game. There are vacancies for physical director. So these all are the vacancy currently in this college, Chandalwada Ramanna Engineering College. So for applying you have to send your resume to this principal p1@jntua.ac.in. Eligible candidate can attend at the above address with 2 passport size photograph, Aadhaar, PAN, qualification and experience certificate in original and 1 set of Xerox copy. Since there is walk-in interview on 21st February 2021, so there is no need to send your resume for this professor, this assistant professor and like non-teaching staff. You directly go and attend the interview. Professors with PhD and quality research experience can contact directly with prior appointment or send detailed CV to principal p1@jntua.ac.in. Means for associate professor, assistant professor and professor, walk-in is going on. But if you want to any personal appointment with principal, then you can send your resume or can contact with by writing some description about yours and mail to the principal email ID. So this is first college where faculty recruitment is going on. Second college is Annamacharya Institute of Technology and Science. This is in Kadapa district, Andhra Pradesh. They have recruitment for professor, associate professor and assistant professor in the department of civil, electrical, electronics, mechanical, ECE and computer science. Assistant professor in the department of humanities and sciences like English, physics, mathematics and chemistry. So if you have your bachelor and masters and PhD in civil, electrical, electronics, mechanical, EC and CSE, then you can apply for this post like professor, associate professor and assistant professor. And if you have masters and PhD in humanity and sciences like physics, chemistry, mathematics or English, then you can apply for this assistant professor in Department of Humanities and Sciences. Required qualification PhD is necessary and PhD from IITs, NITs and university preferable. Means for all this professor, associate professor, PhD is mandatory, and if you have from IIT, NITs and university, some university reputed, then you can be preferred. And if you have MTech degree or masters with first class, then you can apply for assistant professor in engineering department. For assistant professor in English, physics, mathematics and chemistry, PhD is preferable. Means masters is also eligible, but if you have PhD, then you will get more preference there. For apply, you have to submit your detail on college website www.aiitsrajampet.ac.in and submit before 25th of February 2021. What you have to do, you have to take the screenshot of individual college advertisement, so you can easily access the college website or email IDs. Next college is Swami Vivekananda Institute of Technology. This college is in Secunderabad, Telangana. This is the college email ID careers@sbit.ac.in. So they have the vacancies for professor, associate professor and assistant professor in the Department of Computer Science, IT, Computer Science and Engineering, in Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning, in Data Science, Computer Science in Cyber Security, Internet of Things, MBA Digital Marketing, MBA Big Data Analytics, Mathematics, Physics, Chemistry, English and others. And some vacancies also for TPO and C, C++, Java, Oracle trainer. If you have, then you can apply for that. Qualification and experience as per required by AICT and UGC, that is also eligible, valid here. So if you want to apply here, then you can have to send your resume within 1 week to careers@sbit.ac.in. The next college is Siddhartha Institute of Engineering and Technology. This college is in Binova Nagar, Ibrahimpatnam, RR district. It is not clearly mentioned the location where this college is, but you have to visit the college site. From there you can easily access. JNTU, this is not clear. Ibrahimpatnam, I think it's in Andhra Pradesh. Ibrahimpatnam, RR district. Maybe it's in Andhra Pradesh or Telangana. You have to access the college website, and from there you get the details. So there is recruitment going on in for principal, PhD faculty, professor, associate professor and assistant professor in civil, electrical, electronics, mechanical, EC, CSE, MBA and humanity and sciences department. So if you have a PhD in the civil, PhD or MTech in civil, electrical, electronics, EC, mechanical, CSE, then you can apply here. And also if you have masters in physics, chemistry, mathematics or English, then you can apply in humanity and sciences department. Qualification here, one thing you have to note that for assistant professor, mainly masters. If you have MTech degree, then you can apply for all engineering departments, and if you have PhD, then you can apply for associate professor and professor. Qualification and salary is as per AICTE norms, and if you are eligible, then you have to send your resume with copies of certificate, passport size photograph on or before 25th February 2021 by email or by post or by person. Shortlisted candidate will be informed about the date and venue of the interview on your email ID. The next college, Mala Reddy College of Engineering and Technology. This college is in Secunderabad, Telangana. They have a walk-in interview for faculty recruitment, like for professor, associate professor and assistant professor in different departments like ECE, computer science, IT, mechanical, electrical and electronics, physics, mathematics, MBA and English. The walk-in interview will be on 20th February 2020 Saturday, means it's tomorrow. So for that you have to go between 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. At college venue. If you have a PhD degree, then you can go for this associate professor and professor, and if you have a master degree, then you can go directly for this assistant professor and attend the interview. So if you are in the Telangana currently, then you can directly go, because you are other state candidate, there is no timing to reach there. So you directly go and attend the interview. This is I think this college is good college, so you have to go. Next college is Annamacharya Institute of Technology and Science. They have the vacancy for assistant professor in department computer science, civil, ECE, MBA. For MBA and PhD for assistant professor. Qualification required: if you have MTech, then you can apply for this assistant professor post. And second is lab assistant in computer science, civil and ECE. If you have BTech in first class, then you can apply for that. For applying, what you have to do, you have to send your resume to principal aith@gmail.com before 21st February 2021. I think this is the last today's last vacancy which I have discussed here. So if you have liked the videos, please share it with friends also who have required like this job. And if you have not subscribed my channel till now, then you can subscribe. So thank you. Have a nice day.